y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sleepy. I'm not sleepy, I'm just like tired, I guess, but I can't go to sleep, so why not record? So y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial, and hopefully like the footage is good, y'all. I know I kind of see like a glare. I don't know if it's just me or what, but hopefully you guys can see and you guys can enjoy the video. Y'all, I know my background is kind of different. I'm downstairs. It's so freaking hot in my room. I'm waiting on my dad to put my air conditioner back in my window, because I just got this fan or whatever, and like when I be flat ironing my hair, I don't know, it just be so hot. So like right now in my room, like when you walk in my room, you're gonna feel heat before you feel that fan. So anyways, I came down here because it's cooler down here. It's always cold down here, and we got like this big like floor air conditioner type thing down here, and I'm about to turn that on and chill down here for real, because I like it down here. I'm probably about to low-key sleep down here because I can't sleep hot, and I feel like that's why I can't sleep. Plus I gotta wake up early in the morning to take a drug test and stuff like that for my new job, y'all, because as y'all know, I quit my job. Forget Myers. It's like, no, for real though, I did quit because no. Anyways, that's another video. Let's get right into this one. So let me just show y'all the products that y'all gonna need. You're gonna need some spoolies, and usually your spoolie is on the other side of your spoolie is your eyebrow pencil. These are like two different types of pencils, you guys. They got pomades, and this is for my beginners because I understand that y'all don't know what type to get. So that's why you have to try stuff. You know, just like you try hair products out for yourself, just like how you try skincare products out for yourself, you try out eyebrow stuff. So like when I first started off, I did use this pencil, and like the pencil has always been my best friend, but like I started using pomades and stuff, but it really depends on like how I'm feeling for real now, because like right now I'm loving how my eyebrow looks with the pencil. But like later on, I might be like, oh my god, I hate how like I do my eyebrows with pencils now. Let me switch back to pomade. So I'll go buy some pomade and use pomade for a few months, and then switch right back to the pencil and stuff like that. So even though these are both eyebrow pencils, they're a little bit different because this one actually looks like a pencil. This one is more so like this. So when you like stick it up, it's like that, not like more of a pencil like, but you know, you still get like more so the same results. It all depends on how you guys like it. So just get the products that you guys like. So yeah, spoolie, your eyebrow pencil, of course, flat brush. I like this type of flat brush. Usually people use bigger brushes to conceal and stuff like that, but I don't. And also for my technique for beginners, well, this isn't really for beginners, but like for me to conceal my eyebrows better and to give myself a cleaner look, since I need my eyebrows waxed again and they're so different, I picked up a new technique. So this is some concealer. The old concealer is pretty much empty, but so I use this part of the brush from that concealer. And of course, another thing you're gonna need is concealer, guys. I got like 3 different, I don't know, this might be the same concealer. No, these two are the same. Yeah, all 3 of these are the same. This is chestnut. Yeah, I'll be stacking up on concealers. But so I just use these concealers, but I use this brush to apply it. So like I used to apply it with like one of these flat brushes and just apply the concealer, but due to the fact that I need my eyebrows waxed again, I use this to give myself a cleaner look. But anyways, you guys will see that later on in the video how I do that. But that's something that I use. This is optional. This is not required or anything. You know, usually people use the brush, or I've seen people use this like, but this is like kind of messy for me just because like I don't really have a steady hand, and with this brush and like with flat brushes and stuff like that, it's easier for me to do so. What else? This is a foundation brush, but I use this just to blend out the top so that I don't have like that halo look. And I'm using my foundation to help me with that so that I don't look too light up there or anywhere else around my eyebrows. Of course, you're gonna need a beauty blender. Mine's is dirty. I just left the clean one upstairs. But yeah, so I guess it's just gonna be a quick eyebrow tutorial. Starting off. But yeah, and then I use rose water like to like just set, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, y'all, what I just went in on my face with was some Cetaphil just to moisturize myself before I get started. I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna quit talking and I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all. Y'all might hear this in the voiceover though, to hear it step by step for my beginners. So yeah, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my latest new videos. Check out my curly hair review. That's my first video I ever put up. Also check out my Supernova hair wig review. Check out any of my vlogs that I've been posting, my MSU video, like a life update, and everything else, y'all. And just please stay with me on this journey, y'all. So let me stop. I'm so tired. I love talking to the camera because I really already be talking to myself, so why not record? Okay, let's get started. So basically what y'all want to do is just brush your eyebrows up with your spoolie and just run your fingers through your hairs. What? Just brush your eyebrows up with the spoolie and just, you know, get your hairs pushed up out of the way so that you can see how they're looking and stuff like that before you start filling them in. Now you just want to go in with your eyebrow pencil and just lightly shade from the front, and then you know you can go like with more pressure towards the back of your eyebrow. You don't want your eyebrows too dark at the front because it's just the beginning. You know, you don't have that many hairs towards the front of your eyebrow, so you know you just might want to like, you know, touch them a little bit with the pencil just to like give them some color and stuff like that. But you don't want to just start drawing them on because they're just gonna look boxy, nasty, black, and just disgusting. So don't draw them on like that, y'all. Now, some people can, I guess, nah. I ain't even gonna say all of that. You know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and fill your eyebrows in lightly in the front, and then you can go a little bit more, what do you want to say, like harsh towards the back of your eyebrow, just to fill them in. So like, just watch what I do. When I get to the front, I touch it a little bit and then I go in with either my spoolie or my finger to just blend it out or whatever. Or I just don't, you know, be so harsh with it towards the front. Because like I said, you don't have that many hairs right there. So don't draw them on that hard. So y'all, I'm gonna just tell y'all right now, one of my eyebrows is probably gonna look thicker than the other one because, like I said, I need them to be waxed. But still, I'm gonna still show y'all what to do, period. So now you just wanna go in with your concealer. Like I said, this is how I apply the concealer. If not, y'all just use a brush and just do these same steps. Just take your time and outline your brow however your brow goes or however you want your eyebrow to look. You know, just take your time. You can always, you know, start over, but just take your time because if you rush it and you go over your hairs, it's going to be extremely hard to fix it. You're going to have to literally wipe all the makeup off and start all over again. So just take your time and let the brush or whatever utensil that you're using conceal your brow however you want to, but just take your time so that you don't get any concealer on your hair or just so nothing looks smudgy. So as you see, and then after you do like one part of the brow, you know, step back to look to make sure that everything is in place before you move on to the top. So now I'm just going to go in and do the same thing on the top part of my brows, and then after that you're probably going to see me go in with my beauty blender and stuff like that, but afterwards I'm going to show you guys what I do with my foundation and that foundation brush. in the last clips, all I was doing was just blending and making sure everything was blended out. So now I'm just going in with that foundation. I'm just going to pour a little bit on my top, and then I'm going to go in with that foundation brush and just get a little bit on my brush because I don't need a lot. Because I'm not even doing a full face. I'm just showing you guys how I do my brows. So you're really not going to need a lot of foundation. But I like this step because in case you are going to finish and do a full face, you will, you can use a little bit more to just finish off your face and help it blend more. But other than that, I'm just going in with the light foundation. Sorry, I froze for a minute. Light foundation to just blend it out so that you don't have that halo look at the top of your brow. So y'all, of course you gonna blend that out with the rest of your makeup if you're doing if you're about to finish to do a full face. Otherwise, you just finish cleaning this up. And I think I cleaned it up good enough for me. So yeah, y'all, I was gonna show y'all a full eye tutorial on eyeshadow and stuff, but I'll just save that for another video because I left it upstairs and I'm so lazy right now, y'all. Nah, I'll save it for another video. Period. I'll keep y'all posted. My face again. Just lightly or whatever. And then, you feel me? I just hit myself. I'm so clumsy. On my lashes. I got long lashes, y'all, already. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget. Share my channel. Shout my page out. And I hope y'all enjoyed this brow look. I feel like it was a success. My brows look cute, right? Right? So no, y'all. Until next time, period. Until next time. Now, for real though, ain't my brows cute? Nah, the more I look at them, I feel like they look different, but it's okay. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up.